So here we are outside number 1 Whitehall Riverside, where we have recently completed a strip out and Cat A fit out of the 7th floor. Working in collaboration with PSK, a London and Yorkshire based building surveyor and project management company. Now, we've worked with PSK a number of times now on a number of different schemes, and we're pleased to say that this project is another one that has come in on time and on budget.
Welcome to 1 Whitehall Riverside. We're on the last day of the build here. It's a Category A fit out, so we've been on site, we've stripped out all the existing fittings that the previous tenant had, taken up the raised floor, taken down the ceilings, taken down everything that was here, all the electrics, and we've done a complete Category A fit out. New ceilings in, new raised access floor, new electrics, new lighting, decorated all the surfaces through, and we've made it a really nice area that the new tenant can take possession of early in the new year. So our work's come to a conclusion today, and we get to hand it over to our Aftercare Manager, Luke Thompson.
Hi, I'm Luke. I'm recently appointed Aftercare Manager for Jupiter Construction. Now that this project's at practical completion, I'll be taking over, going through the defect period. Overseeing the defect period, I keep in regular contact with the client, ensuring any issues raised are coordinated and works carried out effectively to keep the client relationship.
Hi, Richard Farline from PSK. I'm with the project managers for this refurbishment of the 7th floor offices at Whitehall Riverside Leeds. Worked with Jupiter on a number of projects before, and happy to say this is another project delivered by Jupiter to a high standard and on programme, and another great job from Jupiter.